Have you ever wondered how automatic doors open when you walk near them? Or how your TV remote works? The secret behind it is something called an IR sensor. Let's explore how this amazing little device works. What is an IR sensor, or infrared sensor? An IR sensor uses something called infrared light, a type of light that we can't see with our eyes but is all around us. It's like a special invisible beam that helps detect objects. How does it work? The IR sensor has two main parts. IR emitter. This sends out infrared light. Think of it like a small invisible flashlight. IR receiver. This catches the light that bounces back if there's something in front of it. When the light hits an object and reflects back to the receiver, the sensor knows something is there. If nothing is in the way, the light just keeps going and doesn't bounce back. Where do we see IR sensors? Automatic doors. IR sensors detect when someone is close, so the door opens for you. Remote controls. The sensor in your TV catches signals from the remote to change channels or volume. Robots. Robots use IR sensors to detect objects, follow lines, or avoid obstacles. Security systems. IR sensors are used in alarms to detect motion and keep your home safe. Why is it useful? IR sensors are like extra eyes for machines. They help detect objects without needing to touch them. For example, in line-following robots, IR sensors detect the difference between light and dark surfaces, like a black line on a white floor. The robot uses this information to follow the line and stay on track. Without IR sensors, the robot wouldn't know where to go. So, an IR sensor works by sending out invisible light and catching it when it bounces back. It's simple but powerful, making many gadgets and machines smarter.